Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and we hope that you guys are doing well. Today, we your own personal coach and will guide you to a sound and safe future to you and your family. We will tell you the top 5 investing secrets that will make you an investing guru. The world is evolving and growing each and every day. We are hustling and leaping towards our dreams in a quest to find ourselves. Life is an unpredictable journey and we never know what adversity awaits us. Investing in the right place and at the right time is important to instill a sense of financial security during detrimental hours. Investing gives us the opportunity to have a passive source of income. It gives you the freedom to be financially independent, beat inflation, and get tax benefits. Before diving into the video, let me tell you that whatever we are going to earn from this channel, we will donate 9% of it to the education of unprivileged children. In fact, 9% of the total earning from this channel. Our vision is that every child will be educated by the end of 2034 in India. If you want to join us and be a helping hand in our journey, then do subscribe to the channel. So now, let's get started. First of all, let's clear some basic concepts like what is an investment or long-term investment. Investing broadly is putting money into work for a period of time in some sort of project or undertaking in order to generate positive returns. It is the act of allocating money with the exception of generating a profit. To understand it in an easy way, investing is a financial asset brought with the idea that the asset will provide income further or later be sold at a higher price for a profit. What is compounding? Compounding refers to the process of generating earnings on an asset's reinvested earnings. In other words, it is the process of earning interest on top of interest or growth on top of growth. This can cause an investment's value to grow at an exponential rate over time. Compounding or compound interest is one of the long-term investment strategies which allow growth much faster than simple interest over time. Now we are through with the basic concepts. Let's dive down into the top 5 ways you can become an investing guru. Number 1. Know your financial goals before choosing your tools. Before getting into the long-term investing game, have a holistic view of your financial goals. Unless you have a clearly understand and vision of your goals, it is unlikely for you to ace the rigors required for long-term investing. Divide your goals into 3 broad buckets: short, medium, and long-term. While short-term goals have a time horizon of 6 months to a year, medium-term goals generally require 3 to 5 years for accomplishment. On the other hand, long-term goals have a time horizon of 10 years or more. Once you know the goals, you can estimate the money required to accomplish them. It will help you sort your finances and, more importantly, keep you motivated to save and invest for them. Number 2. Diversify your investment in different markets. We all know it's prudent not to place all your eggs in one basket. As the saying goes, you cannot, or rather, should not depend on one financial instrument. Diversify your holdings across different asset classes, equities, bonds, gold, etc. It simply means that invest your funds in different places and not just one. Diversification will provide stability to your portfolio and balance risk and reward. Optimal diversification is an effective risk-handling strategy. Number 3. Be an early bird. An early start teaches you financial discipline and brings compounding into play. Compounding has a multiplier effect and it also helps you accumulate a large corpus in a very short period of time. When you start early, you give your money enough time to multiply. If you're young and start investing, now even a small sum can snowball into a large sum by the time you retire. Number 4. Invest in instruments having long lock-in periods. The lock-in serves twin purposes. First, it does not allow premature withdrawals, and second, allows compounding to take effect. Certain instruments like the Public Provident Funds (PPF) and National Pension System (NPS) have long lock-in periods. This way, You cannot withdraw your funds on impractical purchases such as buying that Gucci bag you've been dreaming on for months, or that Louis Vuitton dress to show it off to your friends. Number 5. Adjust your investment strategy whenever necessary. Markets and economies are dynamic. There is no investment approach, strategy, or principle that is so solid or robust that it can't or shouldn't be questioned from time to time. Know when and how to question your own investing ideas and beliefs. Don't be stubborn sticking to an investment strategy that's clearly not working for you. Keep changing your strategies with the changing times. Now, as a bonus tip, let's talk about compounding and how it is one of the best long-term investing strategies. Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it, and he who doesn't, pays it. Words were said by none other than the greatest scientist of all time, Albert Einstein. Compound interest makes your money grow faster because interest is calculated on the accumulated interest over time as well as on your original principal. Reinvestment of profits and time are 2 requirements for compounding to succeed. Your returns begin to earn when you choose to reinvest the interest on an investment. The power of compounding has the capacity to provide large profits. As an investor, you must keep in mind that the power of compounding lies in its ability to reinvest earnings on your investment. In other words, you should not look to withdraw your returns at any point before the investment period culminates. Number 1. To make the most out of the power of compounding, start investing early. Number 2. Be patient and disciplined as compounding is a product of time and profit. Number 3. Go for shorter intervals of compounding, as shorter the interval of compounding, the more significant impact is there on the investment. If you're a book reader, then do read the 3 books mentioned in the description for more enlightenment on the following topic. Investing is a game of patience, discipline, perseverance, planning, and a solid determination to win in the financial world. Investing is like a game of cricket, like a test match, where victory depends on how many sessions a team wins. Investment calls for winning the little battles in the journey to accomplish success in the end. Compounding and compound interest, which Albert Einstein once dubbed the either wonder of the world, have a significant impact on diversified portfolios built by investors. Utilizing compounding will help you make more money quickly. Long-term investing has multiple benefits. Doing the right way can help you stay on a solid financial footing and be on your path to financial freedom. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. We will be back soon with such content.